Welcome to our new video. Here, we'll show you how to use the Data Touch heat maps. Heat maps provide a visual description of your database assets through time and usage. Now, let's see how you can create your own heat maps. First, we will need to choose our data source of which we will get the heat maps of. And secondly, we will choose which type of heat maps we would like to display. As you see, there are 4 different heat maps options: table query, client count, table action type query count, and sensitive type by time heat maps. Next, we choose the schema, tables, and time range options to customize our heat maps. Table query count heat map shows the total number of queries for a selected table at a specific date. Client count heat map displays the total number of queries accessed from each table for a selected client. Here, we can see how those assets are utilized through time and make future decisions on those resources. Table action type query count heat map indicates the total number of queries by operation type, select, update, delete, etc., for a selected table. Sensitive type time heat map shows the total number of queries for a selected sensitive type within a specified time range. Thanks for watching, and enjoy exploring your data with the Data Touch.